Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Bronco Outer Banks. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we got that backup camera, full-size spare tire, we got a little hook down here, rear park sensing, a nice black roof to this vehicle, fender flares, we do get gripped running boards on either side, blind spot detection, remote start, which is perfect for the cold winter months, and recovery hooks underneath, and that nice Bronco grill. Taking a look in the back here, we do have plenty of cargo room. You got hooks and doodads to hold all your gear down. You got a 12-volt. Body is molded to the outside coloring. We do get some nice storage cubbies, hooks and doodads, and plenty of storage underneath with the ability to collapse your last row. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black vinyl interior, got a nice carpet interior, cargo net with rear vents, powered windows, and cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same vinyl interior we saw in the back there, even bigger cargo net, grab handle, another grab handle right there, lights, parking brake hood, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 67 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with phone, voice, toggle free screen, playback, play forward, volume, and cruise control with lane centering, digital speedometer. We do get settings, my view, trip and fuel, Bronco information, navigation, phone, audio, and to my right, gear select with our lovely go modes, trail control and four-wheel drive, windows and mirrors, your center console with tons of more storage underneath, cup holders. We got a nice little thing here which tells you where your vehicle's been, phone slot, outlets, dual climate up front with heated front seats, heated steering wheel, engine start stop, auto stop auto start with media controls, storage below with trailer turn. We got hazards in traction. Looking here, we got our audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, phone controls, navigation, pretty easy to use, little red dots showing you where your vehicle's been. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LA47469, and you can head on in a PG Ford or give us a call.